head upon a pillow, and the stars settle down for a rest. Just do me one small favour, I beg you, please pay me my baby's request. It's a song that we have heard when we started, and the birds have all flown from the nest. But you could bring back memories departed by playing my baby's request. My baby said that she knows how it goes, but you're the one that really knows. So go ahead, just one more time, and then we'll go to bed. But you could bring back memories departed by playing my baby's request. My baby said that she knows how it goes, but you're the one that really knows. So go ahead, just one more time, and then we'll go to bed. When the moon lays her head upon his pillow, just do me one more favour, I beg you, the baby for this, baby for the baby's request, just baby for me, Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with a bit of an unusual one. This is a song from Paul McCartney and Wings, I think it was, as well, and a song called Baby's Request from one of his solo albums. Okay, lots of jazzy type chords and expressions in the song. Okay, so this is my arrangement for a single acoustic guitar. Okay, so standard tuning, no capos. Doing it in the key of G, which is the original key that Paul McCartney recorded the song in. Okay, so if you enjoyed that, hopefully you'll join me in a couple of days' time for the breakdown. Okay, probably do it in two parts. There's quite a lot of chord changes to go through, so probably do it in two stages. Bye for now, hopefully see you in a couple of days.